I'm Vivian. Thank you for your interest in our research study, the COVID-19 Youth Impact Survey. I'm part of the advocacy group, YEAH, or Youth and Allies Against Homelessness. YEAH includes youth who are exiting or have exited homelessness, college students in the Bay who have been homeless, and college students committed to ending homelessness. We recognize that members of our community have been significantly affected by this global pandemic and need to have a voice in how their needs are addressed. Our survey is part of a research study. A research study is a process in which people collect a lot of information about something so that our community can then learn more about it. In this case, we are collecting information in a survey. We are committed to using the information that you share with us to propose meaningful policy changes to help unstably housed youth. This video will tell you about our survey so you can decide whether or not you want to participate.
We want to understand how youth in San Francisco and Alameda counties have been affected by the pandemic, particularly how the pandemic has affected the ability of unhoused youth to get the support they need to grow up to be independent adults, like getting basic needs met or accessing education or a job.
Our survey is web-based, short, and anonymous, which means we will not ask you for your name, email address, or phone number. If you would like to be reimbursed for your participation with a $10 gift certificate, you'll be asked to provide your email address in a separate window. This information will not be linked to your survey answers.
Once you have watched this video and if you agree to participate in the project, we will connect you to an online survey that you will be able to take once. You should take the survey wherever you feel safe and comfortable, and it should only take about 15 minutes. The survey has a few different parts. First, the screening part of the survey will open. This part contains questions to determine your eligibility to take the survey. These questions include things such as your age and your housing situation. Remember, this is anonymous, so we will never ask you for your name, your email, phone number, or any other identifying information. Next, if you are a minor, we will be asking you a couple of questions to be sure you understand the risks and benefits of taking the survey. If you are eligible, the survey will continue with questions about your experiences and how the coronavirus pandemic has affected you.
We want to help you understand the risks and benefits associated with this kind of study. Some of the questions might make you feel uncomfortable or could bring up things that might be painful or upsetting. Just so you know, you can skip questions, except for a few at the beginning, or stop taking the survey at any time. If you choose to exit the survey early, a referral sheet with several links and resources, including information about COVID-19, will pop up. If you choose to exit out of the survey, you cannot go back to finish it. Once you do finish the survey, the same referral sheet with links and resources will pop up on the screen. Either way, when it pops up, you should be able to download the document onto your device.
We have also included some CAPTCHA anti-robot questions and some repeated questions into the survey. You will need to successfully answer these questions in order to receive payment. Finally, if you would like to receive your gift card, you will follow a link after you complete your survey where you can provide the email address to which the gift card will be sent. The gift card will be sent within 3 days after you complete the survey.
You're halfway done with this consent video. Congratulations.
There are no direct benefits for you for taking part in this survey, but we will use the information we collect to learn and educate others to improve the well-being of unhoused youth in San Francisco and Alameda counties. We will share a summary of results of our survey online while we are conducting it and when it's done. It will not have any questions about any one person, just a total number of answers to each question. So that way our data can be shared with you so you can advocate for yourself and for others in your community. You'll be able to find the link right here.
When performing any research study, there is a possibility that people outside of the study might get a hold of confidential study information. Please be assured we have taken steps to make sure that does not happen. We will not ask for your name or any identifying information in the research survey. If you would like to be reimbursed for your participation with a $10 gift certificate, you will be asked to provide your email address. This information will not be a link to your survey answers. We are also using an online system to greatly reduce the chance of anyone getting a hold of study information. When we publish our results, we will not share individual answers to multiple choice questions. If direct quotations are used from what you type in to open-ended questions, you will not be identified.
You do not have to be a part of this study. No one will be mad at you whether you decide to take part or not. If you have any questions about our research study, you can reach out to our research team here. If you have any questions or concerns about your rights and treatment as a research participant, you can contact UC Berkeley's Committee of Protection for Human Subjects. I know that's quite a mouthful, but they are there to advocate for you. They can be reached by either phone or by email. Now, please click here if you would like to give your consent to participate in the research study. You will then be linked to our survey. If you do not want to participate, no worries. Just click and select an option from the drop-down list. Thank you.